Just in the distance there, you've got a surf school at the moment there, which is quite intriguing. So people come and learn how to. I did a bit of surfing in my youth. I'm no expert, but yeah, very nice views here. I've just made a nice little video. I might add this on actually, because this could be some value there with the surf school there in the distance. But quite intriguing. I'll get prices on what it will cost to go for surfing. So, like thorough learning and having some fun. Yeah, once all my tattoos are healed, I might go and suss it out, you know. So, yeah, pretty cool actually. And there's some good distance surf down there. Very nice. But it is quite intriguing. Like, they'll teach you how to surf and do all the good stuff. So we'll wrap that up there. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen and children. It's about 8:30 in the morning.
Selamat pagi. Sekali lagi, selamat pagi.
Yeah, we've got a hawker at the moment on the microphone.
Yang parkir di sebelah barat Hayu Santan.
Yeah, I tend to pick the worst moments at times, but just come for my morning walk just down here on Kuta Beach.
Silakan, parkirnya sudah bergeser ke selatan. Demikian, sekali lagi untuk pedagang.
Yeah, I walked over there last time and there's a nice statue over there. Just testing out the earphones at the moment. Still got to fix up my road wireless. Just in the distance there, I'll see if I was just there. You got a little shrine there, and further over there, there is another beautiful statue that I have done a 4K video on, and I'll release that at some point. So we'll just zoom back out again. Yeah, we'll go back to 1, I think. I was on 0.5 before. But just here on the Kuta Beach, as I said, 8:30 in the morning. So all along here you can rent surfboards, you can sit down. Yeah, very chilled and relaxed vibe. Bali somewhat reminds me of the north of Thailand. Apart from being harassed, you get harassed here in Bali, sadly. Like, it's just like the motorcycle taxis and other people trying to offer you substances. But certainly say no to drugs, please, or you'll spend some time in jail, or you'll be parting with some money. So there is a little bit of rubbish from time to time. They have done a good job. I was out here many moons ago, and the beaches were very littered with rubbish and everything. But during COVID, they have cleaned up a lot. You've got some sandbags here, so if you do go for a boogie board or a surf, I'd probably wear booties. I know when I did a bit of boogie boarding many moons ago, I can surf a little. I'm no pro. Yeah, you just got to watch out for coconuts and condoms and everything, and broken stuff, heaps of plastic. And here's a little doggy. Hello, little doggy. How are you, my friend? Hey, how are you? You're a cute little thing, aren't you? Yeah, you see a lot of dogs here. I haven't had any problems so far with dogs as yet. Like, they do bark occasionally. Oh, he's just walking past me now. But yeah, I know when I was in Thailand, if you just step foot forward to them, they bugger off. But yeah, but most of them are just like laying on the pavement to get away from the heat. But occasionally, like yeah, you'll get a few barks out of them. But they usually roam the streets, and people do look after them as well. So you can certainly rent a deck chair here. I should engage in some prices I haven't got that far yet. Yeah, I talk to a lot of the locals, like I've got a bike, but I do like to have some exercise and walking during the day, and everywhere I walk I get offered, oh, lift brother. You know, it can be a bit frustrating, but yeah, I'm trying to bite my tongue as much as I can, but it can be quite frustrating. But I understand that's how they make their money. And you got some, actually I'll zoom and get some footage of these breaks there. Some nice surf here actually. I know on a couple of the other beaches you got bigger waves, but this one's Kuta. We'll stay in Kuta for probably another week and a half, I think, and then we'll go to another part of the island. We'll get over to Gili, we'll get over to Lombok, and a few other places. But beautiful. Yeah, unfortunately I can't jump in the water at the moment. I've just had my back fully tattooed and the rest of my stomach finished. So no swimming for another 2 weeks, I think, and then we'll go and stay in a villa, I think, for a week. And I'm looking for an apartment to stay in, because I'm either going to travel the world, or I'm going to call Bali part-time home. Yeah, got some big plans here I'll talk about later. But yeah, things are going okay. You know, things could be a lot better, but personally I'm doing okay. I'm trying to learn detachment at the moment. That's why I picked Bali, because there is a lot of poverty here. So yeah, so learning detachment at the moment. So we do have these rocks here. That's not rubbish, but that's just rocks. So what we'll do is we'll wrap this video up. You've had enough of me waffling on, and there's some more surf. Alright, hit the likes or hit the thumbs down, subscribe, unsubscribe if you like, do what you like. Uru for now, and we'll see you on the next exciting adventure.